Where does the name for Pant-y-Wacco come from? So today I'm in a small village just outside Gorsedd in Flintshire, and it's called Pant-y-Wacco. Let's get into the name. The name's made of three parts. First we have pant, which means a deep or a hollow or a depression. Then we have which means the. And then we have wacco. Now, wacco is a little bit of a difficult one. Some people have tried to connect it through older forms to the word walka or walk, which is a kind of another term in Middle English for sheep pasture, which sort of makes sense given the surrounding landscape. But actually it's a little bit unlikely because walk is one syllable, but wacco is two. So it's actually more likely that it comes from a person's name, Walca, which is also attested in a couple of names in England. So Pant-y-Wacco literally means Walca's hollow. Anyway, this was a really difficult one for me to do the research to find out what the meaning actually was. I couldn't have done it without Howell Wyn Jones's book, Place Names of Flintshire. So diolch to him. I'll put a link to the book in the description if you want to get yourself a copy. And also thank you to Richard Morgan for pointing me in the right direction with that book. I was struggling a bit with place names out here, but now thanks to their research, it's a lot better. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share and give us a subscribe. And if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, you can on my Patreon. The link's in the bio. Diolch, have a good one.